Built on the talent of exceptional people, Slovenia stands amongst the creators of the future. Its green qualities, creative talent, and smart solutions have been the driving force of a nation determined to develop ideas others think are impossible. As one of the most important R&D players in the region, with the highest percentage of university graduates, Slovenia has become the leading Central European country in patent registration and the 28th most innovative country in the world. It may be small in size, but it is big in its achievements, because Slovenia's well-educated people are the ones who create added value and contribute to the unique competitive advantage of local enterprises around the globe. Thanks to their innovative spirit, Slovenia's creative companies are not only empowering people by giving them access to frontier technology, but also developing human-centric mobility solutions in the world's biggest city lab. With revolutionary design sports equipment and high-end exhaust systems for motorcycles and performance cars, they are proving the limits of design can still be broken. Besides being a diverse knowledge hub, Slovenia is also a frontrunner in sustainability. Today, its companies continue to promote a circular economy with high-concept furniture made from recycled plastic and by manufacturing new magnets out of waste magnets. Slovenia is driven by boundless creativity, brought to life by imaginative ideas, such as personalized books that turn every single family into a hero of its own story. Slovenia would not be so creative without the ambitious, multilingual, and innovative people who are always ready to make a lasting impact. Boost your creativity and grow with Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.